You know, people ask me all the time, you know, they say, you're a comedian. Can I pick your brain about something? And most of the time, I'm happy to oblige. I truly am. But there's been something that I've been kind of keeping quiet about, you know, because out of respect for the people involved, you know what I'm saying? But I think it's time I finally come clean about this, because a lot of people have been asking me about Russell Brand. And they say, you know, what do you know about Russell Brand? You're a comedian, you know, and specifically they want to know why it is that Russell Brand all of a sudden became a capitalist. Like overnight, just cut his hair short, you know, got a job in Canary Wharf, talk about free market, ain't preaching no revolution no more. They said, well, what do you know about that? Did you ever talk to Russell Brand about that? Well, I could shed a little light on this. You see, it may not look like it, but once upon a time, I had the world in the palm of my hand. I was living out in a luxury flat out in Shoreditch, right in the heart of the hip area of London. And I had a lovely flat. I had 4 bedrooms, 17 bathrooms, 19 larders, and an aviary, and a big old hot tub shaped like a peanut. And one night I'm in this luxury flat, and I'm in my big old bed shaped like a fur-covered hourglass, covered all up in these Tibetan mantra sheets. And I'm fucking this white bitch, and I'm going at this motherfucker. And right before I get my nut off, this motherfucker walked through the door. Looked just like Jesus Christ. And then I said, wait a second, that's not Jesus Christ, that's Russell Brand. I said, hey, Russell Brand. He looked at me and go, what in the fuck are you doing in my flat? I say, your flat? Excuse me, you're Russell Brand. Your flat? Motherfucker, this is socialism. I'm practicing what you preaching. He said, you're fucking my wife. I said, yeah, I'm fucking your wife. That's socialism. I said, Russell Brand, I'm a big fan of what you preach, man. I'm going to tell you, you study capitalism, you got to sit down with some books, you know, learn about, you know, Adam Smith and Margaret Thatcher, all that bullshit. With socialism, you just take what the fuck you want. And I want this flat, and I want this motherfucking white bitch. So if you will excuse me for about 5 more minutes, I'm going to get my nut off with this motherfucker. And he's like, I ain't having none of that. So I said, okay, I must have misread you. Apparently, you ain't the man I thought you be. You a different person on stage and on the television than what you is in real life. So excuse me. It ain't no skin off my nose. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Islington and fuck Jeremy Corbyn's wife. Because, hey, that's socialism too, motherfucker.